Are your sales, marketing, and customer service teams working in silos, each doing their own thing without much coordination? If so, you're likely losing out on revenue and delivering a disjointed customer experience. That's where RevOps or revenue operations comes in. RevOps is a business strategy that aligns your sales, marketing, and customer service teams under one unified system. Instead of each team working independently, RevOps ensures they collaborate seamlessly. They can share the same data and work towards shared goals. The result? A smoother customer journey, better communication between teams, and more predictable revenue growth. In 2025, RevOps is no longer just a buzzword. It's a necessity for businesses looking to stay competitive and meet rising customer expectations. HubSpot is one of the best platforms to implement RevOps because it's designed to connect your teams and streamline your operations. With HubSpot, all your teams have access to the same customer data in real time, so everyone is on the same page. No more duplicate records or miscommunication. HubSpot's Operations Hub takes it a step further by automating repetitive tasks, cleaning up messy data, and integrating all your tools into one unified system. This means your teams can focus on what they do best, building relationships and closing deals, while the system handles the busy work. HubSpot also offers Revenue Analytics, which allows you to track the entire customer journey from the first interaction to the final sale. You can identify bottlenecks, see what's working, and make data-driven decisions to improve your processes. RevOps transforms your business by aligning your teams, increasing efficiency, and improving the customer experience. When your teams are working together, your customers get a seamless journey, from their first interaction with your brand to ongoing support after the sale. This not only increases customer satisfaction, but also builds loyalty and retention. Additionally, RevOps helps you create a more predictable sales pipeline. With everyone working towards the same goals and using the same data, you'll have a clear picture of your revenue forecast and can make better decisions to drive growth. If you're ready to get started with RevOps, the first step is to audit your current processes. Look at how your sales, marketing, and customer service teams are working now and identify any gaps or inefficiencies. Next, set shared goals that all teams can work towards, like increasing customer retention or shortening the sales cycle. Then leverage HubSpot's Operations Hub and Revenue Analytics to connect your teams, automate workflows, and track performance. Regularly review your processes and data to see what's working and where you can improve. By aligning your teams, streamlining your processes, and focusing on the customer, you can deliver better experiences, drive more revenue, and set your business up for long-term success. With HubSpot's tools, implementing RevOps has never been easier. Ready to take your business to the next level? Let's make it happen. Happy HubSpotting.